Hi, this is William Wagner with Salt and Light Global and the Great Lakes Justice Center, and it is Faith and Freedom Friday. Today, I want to bring you up to date on some information we've, over the past few months, have been hearing from a number of schools that a national civil rights organization is telling them that they have a legal obligation to keep information about the children at their school private and cannot share this information with parents. They cite, some cases that we're going to be going into, and I'll be discussing, later at another time from across the United States, and they pick and choose, little pieces, out of these cases, but they never cite any of the U.S. Supreme Court cases that say a parent has a fundamental right to control and direct the upbringing of their child, especially with regard to educational matters and things that happen with regard to their education. There are a number of cases where governments use their power to infringe on that deeply held and very strong constitutional right, infringing on that constitutional right. For example, schools, infringed on parents' rights with regard to, quite a number of things. And when the Supreme Court looked at each one of those cases, they said the exercise of government power is limited by this fundamental constitutional right of a parent to control and direct the upbringing of their kids. And so in cases like the Yoder case, in cases like the Troxel case, in cases like a number of other cases that the Supreme Court and other courts have said, government, you cannot use your power to interfere and infringe on parental rights. And now we've got a civil rights organization telling superintendents and principals that they, must do just that, and the law requires, and even the Constitution requires that. Well, we're going to be responding to that in a fuller way soon. But I wanted to get this out on Faith and Freedom Friday because it's been building up over the past couple of years, and as we hear from different schools being told by this National Civil Rights Organization that they have a legal obligation to keep truthful information away from parents. That leads to, eventually probably telling, that they have to lie to parents. And this is just, unacceptable. And it's time that somebody responds. And I'm just letting you know that the Great Lakes Justice Center is getting ready to respond to this. So if you are a school superintendent or principal that is feeling threatened by this civil rights organization telling you that you have to keep information, away from parents, and you're concerned that lying to parents could, result in liability, give us a call. We'd be happy to, talk with you. We don't charge anything. We advocate for human rights and civil rights, and in a truthful, meaning when we talk about truthful, what is a real human right? What is a real civil, right here? So, give us a call and be happy to, give you some free counsel. So until next time, this is Professor William Wagner from Great Lakes Justice Center and Salt and Light Global. God bless you.